What you see after an accident is bad enough. A wrinkled fender, scratches, dents, maybe even broken glass. But what you don't see, that's where the real damage can hide, beneath the surface. That's why, when repairs are needed, bring your BMW to a BMW certified collision repair center. Here, your vehicle gets more than a repair, it gets restored. With original BMW parts installed by BMW trained technicians, using state-of-the-art equipment designed specifically for your BMW. No guesswork, no shortcuts, just precision craftsmanship to return your vehicle to its original performance, fit, and finish. Because it's more than just a car, it's your BMW, and you deserve to enjoy it at its very best.